So welcome to GTech video channel, and today we are going to study how we can generate a Sign APK using Android Studio. Then Sign APK means the APK which we are going to upload in Google Play Store, so it can be accessible to all our clients. So before starting the APK generation, let me tell you that I have created my build APK folder in desktop location where I want to store my key store and main APK. You can create this folder in any location that where you want to store your app. Okay. So let's begin with APK generation. So first of all, open your project in Android Studio that I have already opened. After opening the project in Android Studio, go to build section. After going to build section, click on generate sign bundle slash APK, and you have seen this pop-up window with two options, that Android app bundle and APK. Instead of these two options, you have to select on APK. That's this APK option. Then selecting this APK option, go to next. Then you have to create your key store path. Okay, so there are two options, let's choose existing and create new. So I select on create new. Then here you have to choose key store path. The key store path that I tell you at the starting of my video that I have generated, that is key store and main APK. So let's give the path, and then comes to home, desktop, search desktop. Where is my desktop? Down, yeah, desktop, build APK, key store. Give the file name, say as APK. No, what we give? Say yes. Let gives us APK GENE generation. Is by default JK is selected. Okay. Then alias is key0. There is no need to change. Now yes, set password for our app. So this may be a 6-character password. Let me give a password. Sorry, my numpad is not open. Then again, confirm password. You can give any password of 6-character at least. Key alias name 0. You can give any name here. And again, set on password. And this password should be matched. Okay, and yes, the validity of this 25 years from now. So that means validity means from this date to 25 years the app will be operationally valid. Then we have to give a name, say give as test here. Test, again organization should be test, city, locations as test, I will give test, state provider again we test. You can enter your valid credential here, that's country code. Now it's India is 91. Say okay. Okay, then after creating a key store path, so our key store is store here. Let's move forward. Then after key store generation, we have to select on next. Yeah, after clicking next button, first of all we have to select both this checkbox, that's V1 signature, that is jar signature, and V2, that is full APK signature. Then there is an option you can only generate release APK or only generate debug APK. So currently for demonstration I will select both that the debug APK is also generated and the release APK is also generated. Now after clicking finish button, that APK generation will be start. So we have done all our settings, and let's say finish. So this is Gradle bundling running, Gradle build running is started, and this will depend on the PC how will take time. So my PC is little bit fast, so hope this will completed fastly. We have to wait until this Gradle is building. So in this video you can skip this process, but as the screen record is on, I have to wait. You can skip these steps. I will give the times in the below description. So from which time to which time you can skip this video. This is Gradle bundling. Yeah, so here the message will come that generated sign APK. We can click here and Gradle finish. Okay, and here we can see after clicking the location also given build variant debug and then build variant release. So we can locate, so see desktop project, and that I forgot to give a path to store APK in this file. No issues, but we got our location from here, that is build variant release. So we simply click on locate, and here our APK release APK will be generated, and this APK will be able to download in Google Play Store. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and like this video.